Hi everyone, and welcome to Zeo Route Planner tutorials. In this video, I'll explain the difference between the driver and fleet platforms in Zeo and how you can switch between them. Let's first understand which platform you're on. We are currently on the single driver platform. This is where deliveries are executed. Here, drivers can view their assigned routes. Some users have access to both roles under the same login, especially fleet owners who also handle deliveries themselves. In that case, you don't need two separate accounts. You can simply switch between the driver and fleet platforms anytime. Now let me show you how. To switch from driver to fleet, go to Settings, open User Profile. On the top right corner, you'll see the Switch to Fleet button. Click it, and you'll move to the fleet platform. Now we are on the fleet platform. This is the management side. This is where routes are created, drivers are assigned, stops are added, and overall delivery performance is monitored. To switch from fleet to driver, again, go to Settings, open User Profile. On the top right corner, you'll see the Switch to Driver button. Click it to return to the driver platform. And that's it. Switching between platforms is quick and seamless, depending on whether you want to manage operations or execute deliveries. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more updates from Zeo Route Planner.